This Lattice guide provides a step-by-step approach to integrating an AI model into a structured data product, making it essential for users looking to enhance their data analysis capabilities. By following the outlined process, users can effectively create a data product that leverages AI to predict customer churn, thereby improving decision-making and strategic planning. On Pinboard, select Create Structured Data Product. On Create New Data Product screen, select the Data Product Name field and enter your data product name. Then give your data product a description in the description field. In the Natural Language Query field, type out an instructions prompt for Lattice to construct your data product. All of these details are required, allowing you to define your data product. Then select the Generate button. After Lattice finishes processing your natural language prompt instructions, Lattice Copilot will provide the recommended sources, tables, and columns, as well as suggested AI models to include in your data product. As this demo is to show how to add an AI model to your data product during creation, the radio button next to the customer churn model will be clicked. Then select Output Fields, 10, Selectable, and select Outputs from the dropdown. In this demo, all are selected. Note, output fields are columns the AI model returned. Next, either select Accept Copilot Recommendations, or, as in this demo, select Continue to Manual Selection. Steps 3 and 4 allows us to remove unnecessary suggested tables. Once satisfied with the tables and columns, we move on to Step 5, Transform, and select the AI Models tab. You will see the AI model chosen in Step 1 is selected, but the inputs for the AI model need to be selected. Copilot automatically maps input columns based on the table or tables either it recommended or you selected in Step 1. It's a good idea to validate Copilot correctly mapped the inputs by clicking on the dropdown next to each input. If Copilot mapped incorrectly, you can reselect the correct column. Note, all input fields need to be mapped to a column that exists in the table or tables selected for your data product. Once you have selected and validated the inputs for the AI model, click the Preview Data tab and click Load Preview to view a sample of your data product. This will include the output columns coming from the AI model. The columns will appear in purple, differentiating between what already existed in the data product and what has been produced as an output of the AI model. After viewing the display details produced, once you are happy with your data product, scroll down and click on Next, Preview, and Finalize. The next step allows you to preview the details that make your data product discoverable. You can edit the name and description, add tags, add helpful hints, edit ownership, department, and team, and determine data sensitivity. Once you are happy with your data product and all final changes are complete, click Create Data Product to publish your structured data product to the Pinboard, where it can be discovered, used, and shared. To watch further Lattice demo videos, subscribe to this channel, or learn more about Lattice at www.lattice.com.